Hello, my dear children. Welcome to the online conversation class. I hope you all are fine. So, children, in this conversation, there are two friends, Jimmy and Richa. They are walking together and talking about their friend Kate. They come to their friend's home and knocks the door. This is Kate, their friend. She comes, opens the door and says, "Hi guys! Welcome to my house. I'm so happy you are here." Richa says, "Hi Kate. This neighborhood is so quiet and peaceful. I love it." Kate is saying, "Yeah, I'm so happy to live here." She says, "Please come in. I can't wait to show you my new house." Now Richa is saying, "The hallway is really bright and spacious. I like it very much." Their friend Kate says, "Let me show you the downstairs rooms. Please follow me." They all go to the downstairs now. Kate says, "This is the living room with the TV and the speakers, a coffee table in the middle, the sofa and two armchairs." Jimmy says, "Wow, I love the color. It looks gorgeous." He also says, "I can see you have some nice family photos here." Kate replies, "Yes, that's right. Okay, let's move to the next room." They all are coming to the dining room. Now Kate says, "This is the dining room. We use it mostly on special occasions. We usually eat in the kitchen." Richa says, "The table is really large and the chairs are so elegant. I can see there is a tablecloth on the table. Are you expecting guests tonight?" Kate replies, "That's right. My grandparents are coming tonight. So we are gonna have dinner here." She says, "Come on, let me show you the kitchen now." Now they moves together to the kitchen. Kate says, "So this is my beautiful kitchen, my mom's favorite area of the house." Richa says, "Wow, I think it's lovely." Now Kate replies, "It's not big, but we have everything we need. A sink, a stove, a dishwasher, a microwave, and a fridge. We also have many cupboards and drawers. Okay, let's go to the next room, the study." They all move to the study room now. Kate says, "This is the study. I usually come here when I want to read a book." Richa says, There are so many interesting books in the bookcase. Do you usually do your homework here? Kate replies, No, I always do it in my bedroom. My parents come here pretty often when they need to work on the laptop. Kate says, This is the downstairs bathroom. Richa says, It looks very nice. I can see there is only a shower here. There isn't a bathtub. Kate replies, The bathtubs are in the upstairs bathrooms. She also says, Let me show you now another room, the basement. Kate says, This is our special place, the rec room. Have a seat, please. Now Richa asks her, What is a rec room? Kate replies, It means recreation room and it's used for our free time. My dad loves playing billiards with his friends here. And we also watch TV or play different games with our friends. They all come to the laundry room and Kate says, This is laundry room. It's pretty small. Here we keep the washing machine, the laundry basket, the ironing board and the iron. We also keep the cleaning tools over here. She shows their garage and says, This is the garage. We also keep here our bikes and some other stuff besides the car. They all come to the upstairs. And Kate says, Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms with their own bathrooms. Let me show you my bedroom. Now Jimmy says, Wow, a bedroom in the attic. This is fantastic. Kate replies, Yes, it's under the roof. So the ceiling is very low near the walls and high in the center. Now Jimmy says, You have many great posters on the wall. He also asks Kate, Hey, whose is the guitars? Is it yours? May I play some songs? Kate replies, It's mine. You may, sure. He started playing the guitar. Kate says, This is my bathroom. That is the bathtub. Jimmy says, It's so cool to have your own bathroom inside your bedroom. Now Kate replies, Let's go out on the balcony now. They all come together to their balcony. Richa says, I love the view from the balcony and the flowers are beautiful. Now they all are sitting together to their garden and talking about themselves. So children, this is the story of 3 friends. I hope you likes it. See you soon with some new topic. Till then, take care. Thank you and have a nice day.